As it kind of plays hand in hand with charities or whatever it is that you believe in, things that you're involved with. You go to the...
Don't think about touching it. Don't sing about touching it. Don't think about singing about touching it.
This is ridiculous. When you can't read, what can you do with your life? What kind of job can you get? A job with a 17-hour workday that pays less than $1?
So there I was, killing them softly with my song, or rather being killed, and not that softly either. I was singing with my eyes closed.
Well, I'm already babysitting, at least until my dad gets back, and then I think I'll do something else. Something fun, something just for me.
I'm sure everyone has a little breakdown the day after the Oscars. I had mine, but it was a mixture of laughing and crying, and I was very happy about everything that happened with Volver.
Ami et moi voulions coucher avec votre femme. Nous passerons dans le culbuté à samedi à l'heure du thé.
美国政府企图以庞大的开支和税收来摆脱严重的经济衰退。
Envision myself on a nice couch in stunner shades with like T-Pain and Usher, you know.
I've always heard about David Fincher kind of, referenced as a visual master, and he is. I
would never change growing up in the city. The best thing that ever happened to me. It really was. It's such an advantage over people. You go to a club, you start talking to a babe, and she says, "You Italian?" And she, what makes you think that?
But yeah, it was fun. It's kind of fun being up there, and once you get over, the self-consciousness of it, it becomes fun.